Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can upgrade our Linux Mint machine. And there's four main steps we'll need to go through. The first one is to create a system snapshot. This allows us to revert back if we run into issues with the upgrade. Now to do the snapshot, we'll use Timeshift. So I'll go to the menu here and search for Timeshift. So this is the tool right here. We'll put in our password. And to create a snapshot, just click on create. So, and then just follow the prompts to create your snapshot. So since this might take a minute, I'm gonna have to cancel this because it might take a while. So let me go ahead and cancel. And then we'll look at the next step here. Now the next step will be to upgrade any themes or applets or extensions that we have. And we'll use the system settings. So go to menu. Here we can search for system settings, so you can go to preferences. And then under here, you should find your system settings. And if, for instance, you wanted to upgrade your themes, click on this, then advanced settings, and then click on add, remove. And then you should update the list. You can refresh to get a new update. And if you wanted to upgrade or install or download one of these, you just click on this icon. So you can go through the process with all the individual applets or extensions, whatever you want to upgrade. With that done, we can go to the next step, which is to do the actual upgrade. And here we'll be using the update manager, and we'll click on refresh. So right now it's checking for package updates. Okay, it's done. Now we'll go under edit. And if you have any updates that are available that we can install, they should be listed under edit. We have the option to upgrade to Linux Mint 21.3 Virginia. So I'll click on this. And then here, I'll just click on next. Again, I'll click on next. Click on next. I'll click on I understand the risk. I'll click apply. And then I'll put in my password here. So it's doing something in the background. Okay, it's downloading package files. Okay, I'll pause this briefly. So it's almost done. We have about 20 seconds. Okay, now it's doing the installation. I'll pause the video again here. Let's look at the details here. So it's still ongoing. Okay, I'll pause the video and come back once it's almost done. Okay, so the installation is almost done here. Okay, it's removing software. Okay, and it's saying that your operating system was successfully upgraded. Please reboot your computer for all changes to take effect. So that's it. That's the process for doing the upgrade. We are done. The next thing is to do a reboot and you should be good to go. That's all for this video. I hope this information has been useful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.